What's up, guys? So, as some of you know, most of you know, there's some wildfires going on. I got a lot of family that lost a lot of stuff, lost their homes, lost their tools, their garages, their cars, just lost a lot of stuff. And my wagon was at my grandpa's house, and it was pretty close to all those fires, and we were struggling and fighting to not lose my grandpa's house. And thankfully, we haven't, and it's still there. We're pretty much, I think we're okay. The fires have kind of slowed down. They kind of stopped in Altadena and didn't make its way to Pasadena. And as for the wagon and the content with the wagon, I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. It kind of slowed everything down. As the fires were burning, I was just on my grandpa's house. We put sprinklers on the roof. We were hosing the trees down, hosing the house down. And thankfully it didn't get that close. So I'm kind of at a little bit of a standstill right now. The wagon is all right, and I guess we're gonna continue on with the build. I was gonna offer my car to my cousin, but being that it needs a little bit more work, like it needs a motor, we gotta finish the motor and put it in there. I still gotta get a couple parts. I think he's gonna go ahead and get himself a little Honda or something, just so he can have a gas saver, because right now he's driving his truck, and he's spending a lot of money on gas, and he just lost a lot, and his budget's real tight right now. So he has a GoFundMe up. I have the link in one of my videos that anyone can help out, anyone can share. And as for the wagon, I guess I'm going to continue on with it. I'm trying to source some D-series parts. I need an intake manifold, complete with the throttle body, fuel rail, injectors. I need some miscellaneous bolts for the motor mounts and stuff. I need a flywheel clutch, the flywheel bolts. I need the D-series shift linkage. I need the exhaust manifold, stock exhaust manifold for D-series. What else do I need? I think I need a starter. I'm not sure if I have one or not, but I think I'm gonna need one. Also, I just bought a battery today from Advanced Auto Parts. They're going out of business, so I was able to get a new Optima yellow top battery. I threw that in my CRX because I drive that car more often, and I took the battery out of my CRX. I'm gonna use that for when I get the wagon going. At least it'll have a battery. And that one's only like a year old at the most. And as for parts that I need, I just need starter, intake manifold, exhaust manifold, some bolts. I need the D-series shift linkage. And I need to finish up the body work, start getting in on that now that the fire's kind of stopped. Well, it's not stopped, but it's still burning, but just not as close as it was. And I have the driver side single cam axle. I need the passenger side axle. And I think that'll be it for the most part. And I could start putting that motor I have back together. And throw that in there and get that running. And then I'll start doing the paperwork to put in my name and everything. I think I'm going to try and register out of state. We'll see how that goes, because I don't know if that cat is any good. If that cat is good, then maybe I'll just try and smog it. But yeah, just a quick little update on everything that's been going on. And my condolences, for everyone who's been affected by the wildfires going on right now in LA County. Stay strong and keep moving forward. Get as much assistance as you can. don't be ashamed to take anything you need, like, you know, food, water, if you have somewhere to stay, you know, because a lot of people lost their homes. You know, a lot of people don't have homes to go back to. So, and if you see anybody sharing GoFundMe's and stuff like that, you know, share them. Even if you can't donate, just share it. That way more people see it and more of an opportunity for people to donate and help out. Yeah. Other than that, that's just my little update, just for my YouTube channel. For anyone that is watching or not watching, at least it'll be up there for my record. And yeah, that'll be it. See you guys later on the next video.